Okay, guys, we're out here at the Eldorado Lake Nature Trails. Oh, look at the beauty of this place. Oh, this is phenomenal. Look at that. I'm giving you a clear walkthrough. Oh, just gorgeous. Man, this place is pretty. Peaceful, solitude. Look over there, out there in those woods. Just gorgeous. Okay, back over here. You guys know me, man. I love getting out in the woods. Hold on, man. Check this out. This is just so beautiful going through here. Look at that. The trail comes up over there. Goes around that corner there. So gorgeous, man. So gorgeous. We're just flying through here. Look at that. Amazing. Taking you on this little hike with me, guys. And you see it all. Yes. It's just too beautiful out here. So gorgeous. These woods are so amazing. Oh, look out there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here we go. Coming down here. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Trying to get this thing focused, man. Get over there. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Words cannot express. Yes. Oh, yes. I just had to get you guys out here and share this with you. It's so beautiful out here. So peaceful. Got a river out this way. Actually, if I come over, you can see it out there behind me. That is the river out there. And it looks almost silvery, cloudy. Like, it's not really muddy looking. It looks gray and cloudy, like a smoky look to the river. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's finish this walk out here. Here we go. Turn this around. Get a good little focus down in there. Whoops. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. We're on it. Beautiful blue sky today. Gorgeous weather. I brought Judy down here with me today. Her and Teddy Boo Bear, our pup. Brought her down here with me. They're over here somewhere. I went back so I could bring you guys through this trail with me. So they're sitting on a bench down here somewhere. We'll probably run into them. Let me speed up just a little. Oh, I love this place in here. It's so therapeutic to get out in these woods. This is the Eldorado Lake Nature Trails. If you go to the dike out there in Eldorado, if you go to the dike of the lake and turn left and go up around that corner on the left is where you come in at. That's how you get to these woods. There she is down there. You see her? There she is down there. Her and Bugs. Here we come, guys. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming, man. Hold on, Bugs. Trying to get him. Okay. Come on, Bugs. You guys been chilling, taking her easy?
Yeah, we've got a good little rest in.
Good little thing going on? Okay.
We got it going on.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, sugar.
You and Bugs having a blast out here?
Yeah. Eating grass.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Brought him a little snack.
I'm gonna cut it.
I never thought about that.
Yep.